A looming shadow. Will a robot take your job? Imagine this, you're at work, just another Tuesday. The hum of the office, the clatter of keyboards, the murmur of conversations. Everything seems normal. Suddenly your boss calls you in. "We're automating your position," he says, a cold look in his eye. Your heart sinks, your mind races. Don't worry, it's just business. But it's not just business, is it? It's personal. It's your career, your dreams, your future, it's your livelihood, your ability to provide for your family, your place in the world. The weight of responsibility feels heavier than ever. This scenario, once the stuff of dystopian fiction, is becoming a chilling reality for many. The lines between science fiction and reality are blurring. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic fantasy, is rapidly transforming the job market, leaving many in fear of becoming obsolete. The pace of change is relentless. The robots aren't coming, they're already here. They're in our factories, our offices, our stores, and they're not just taking over menial tasks. They're performing complex surgeries, analyzing financial markets, and even creating art. From self-driving trucks to AI-powered financial analysts, no job is truly safe. The scope of automation is expanding every day. The question is not if AI will impact your job, but when and how. The clock is ticking, and the future is approaching faster than we think. This isn't about fear-mongering, it's about facing a complex reality head-on. It's about preparing for a future that is already unfolding. So buckle up, folks, because the future of work is here and it's about to get bumpy. But with preparation and adaptability, we can navigate this new landscape together. The robots are here, AI's infiltration into our industries. Let's play a little game, shall we? Name an industry, any industry. Chances are AI is already making its mark, like an overly enthusiastic intern with a penchant for automation. Manufacturing? Robots are assembling cars and packing boxes with superhuman speed and precision. Retail? AI-powered chatbots are answering your customer service inquiries, while algorithms predict your shopping habits with alarming accuracy. Healthcare? AI is assisting in surgeries, diagnosing diseases, and developing new drugs. Even creative fields, once thought to be the exclusive domain of the human spirit, are feeling the heat. AI can now compose music, write news articles, and even paint portraits. This isn't some far-off sci-fi scenario, it's happening right now. The question is, are we prepared for the seismic shift AI is bringing to our industries? Manufacturing mayhem, from assembly lines to algorithm lines. Let's start with the industry that's felt AI's impact most acutely, manufacturing. Remember those factory floors teeming with workers? They're not quite extinct, but they're evolving faster than a Pokemon with a trust fund. Robots are taking over repetitive, physically demanding tasks, from welding to painting to assembly. This means increased efficiency, lower costs, and yes, fewer jobs for human workers. But hold on, before we all start stockpiling canned goods for the robot apocalypse, let's look at the flip side. While some jobs are being displaced, others are being created. We now need skilled technicians to program and maintain these robotic overlords. Companies are investing in training programs to upskill their existing workforce. The challenge is ensuring that displaced workers have access to these opportunities and aren't left behind in the dust of automation. Checkout line to no-line AI's retail revolution. Next up, let's venture into the world of retail, where AI is transforming the shopping experience from the moment you browse online to the, hopefully non-existent, checkout line. Imagine a world where your shopping preferences are known before you even step into the store or log onto a website. Remember those awkward interactions with chatbots that sounded like they were programmed by a team of confused pigeons? Those frustrating days of robotic responses and endless loops of unhelpful answers? Well, those days are numbered. AI has evolved and chatbots are now more intuitive and responsive, making customer service a breeze. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing personalized recommendations and resolving customer issues with remarkable efficiency. They can understand context, learn from interactions, and even predict what you might need next. But AI's impact on retail goes beyond just customer service. It's revolutionizing the entire supply chain. Algorithms are analyzing mountains of data to optimize pricing, personalize marketing campaigns, and predict future trends. This data-driven approach allows retailers to stay ahead of the curve and meet customer demands more effectively. This means retailers can tailor their offerings to our specific needs and desires, making shopping more convenient and, dare I say, enjoyable. Imagine walking into a store and finding everything you need without having to search. Of course, this convenience comes at a cost. The seamless experience we enjoy is the result of complex AI systems working behind the scenes. As AI automates tasks traditionally performed by human workers, we're seeing job losses in stores and warehouses. While efficiency and convenience are on the rise, it's important to consider the human impact and find ways to balance technology with employment opportunities. Section 5. The AI Stethoscope. Healthcare in the Age of Algorithms. Now let's enter the hallowed halls of healthcare, where AI is poised to revolutionize the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. The integration of artificial intelligence into healthcare systems is not just a futuristic dream, but a present-day reality that is transforming the medical landscape. Imagine a world where AI can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases in their earliest stages. This means conditions like cancer can be identified much earlier, giving patients a better chance at successful treatment and recovery. Or picture AI-powered robots assisting surgeons with incredible precision, minimizing invasiveness and improving patient outcomes. These robots can perform complex procedures with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. This isn't just the stuff of medical dramas, it's rapidly becoming a reality. Hospitals around the world are already implementing these advanced technologies to enhance patient care and streamline operations. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies, personalize treatment plans, and even predict patient outcomes. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to discern, leading to more effective and targeted treatments. But before we all ditch our doctors for a consultation with Dr. Algorithm, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment and empathy. The human touch is irreplaceable, especially in healthcare, where compassion and understanding are crucial. The future of healthcare will likely involve a collaborative approach, with AI augmenting the skills and expertise of healthcare professionals. This synergy between human and machine promises to bring about a new era of medical innovation and improved patient care, where technology and humanity work hand in hand. Section 6. The cold hard truth: AI as a job terminator. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the robot wielding a pink slip. There's no sugarcoating it, AI will displace jobs. It's already happening. And while some argue that new jobs will emerge to replace the old, there's no guarantee that these new jobs will be accessible to everyone, or that they'll be created at the same rate as jobs are lost. This raises serious concerns about economic inequality, as those without the skills or resources to adapt to the changing job market risk being left behind. We need to start thinking now about how to mitigate the negative impacts of AI on employment. Section 7. A glimpse of hope: AI as a job creator. But before we all descend into a pit of despair, let's remember that AI isn't all doom and gloom. While it's true that AI will automate many existing jobs, it will also create new ones. These new jobs will require a different set of skills, focusing on creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. We'll need data scientists to make sense of the mountains of data generated by AI ethicists to ensure that AI is used responsibly, and AI trainers to teach these digital whiz kids how to behave. The key is to view AI not as a job-stealing monster, but as a powerful tool that can augment our capabilities and create new opportunities. Section 8. Bridging the gap: adapting to the new world of work. So how do we prepare for this brave new world of AI-powered work? The answer lies in adaptability and a willingness to embrace lifelong learning. The skills that are in demand today may become obsolete tomorrow. We need to be constantly upskilling and reskilling, learning new technologies and adapting to new ways of working. This means investing in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. It also means fostering a culture of lifelong learning, where individuals are encouraged and supported in their pursuit of new knowledge and skills. Section 9. The Education Imperative: equipping ourselves for an AI-driven future. The education system, often criticized for being stuck in the past, needs a serious upgrade. We need to move away from rote memorization and standardized testing and focus on developing critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, skills that will be essential in an AI-driven world. This isn't just about teaching kids how to code, It's about fostering a love of learning, a thirst for knowledge, and an understanding that the only constant in life is change. Section 10. The future is now embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is not a distant event, it's happening right now. The choices we make today will determine the course of this revolution and its impact on our lives. We can choose to bury our heads in the sand and pretend it's not happening, or we can embrace the challenge and seize the opportunities it presents. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Section 11. A call to action, shaping our destiny in the age of AI. So what's it going to be? Will we be passive bystanders in the face of this technological tsunami? Or will we ride the wave of change and shape our own destiny? The choice is ours. Let's choose wisely. The future of work is in our hands. Let's make it a future where AI empowers us, not replaces us. A future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around.